She's been stepping up in absence of Grace Egan, who's down with an injury, did not play in the Big Ten opener for Wisconsin. Van Zant, big swing dug out by Vajagic. Right back to the freshman Madison Quest, but the Hawkeyes send it right back. Another chance for the Badgers. Here's Varez, another true freshman. Over on 2 by Mimi Collier. Good dig once again by Furbringer. Again, Collier sends it over softly, and the Hawkeyes can't dig it out.
Capitalizing on some errors, but have executed offensively at times as well.
Good dig by the Badgers. It'll set up for Collier. Big swing back line, looking for the paint, and she finds it. Had 17 kills against Southeast Missouri State. Her career high up to this point. Here's Collier. Good dig by Iowa, but can't keep it in bounds. That's Alyssa Warden.
In Wisconsin's end.
Madison Quest sends it over again. Van Zant winds up, but softly hits it over. Collier winds up and delivers a massive blow, denting the floor on the other side.
Attacking from the left side and aiming for the opposite side of the court. That time just can't keep it in bounds.
Collier tips it over into the back corner. Drops it in beautifully, and it's 6-3.
That's now
Vajagic again. Whitting stall denied.
had enough power to sail that one way past the baseline, but the deflection explains everything.
Holy cow, watch out below.
Fully anticipating to bring that one to the wood.
Amaral sends it up for Varez, denied. Mimi Collier putting on her best. Carter Booth